Losing a tooth has always meant replacing it with an implant, bridge, or denture. But scientists are now developing a treatment that could allow humans to regrow completely natural teeth. For more than 100 years, dentistry has focused on replacing missing teeth. However, new research suggests that the future of dental treatment may involve regenerating teeth instead. Scientists discovered that humans may still possess the biological potential to grow additional teeth under the right conditions. This discovery is linked to a protein known as USAG1, which plays an important role in controlling tooth development. Normally, this protein acts as a biological regulator that prevents extra teeth from forming after permanent teeth develop. Researchers discovered that blocking this protein may allow dormant tooth buds to activate and begin forming a new tooth. This research was led by scientist Katsu Takahashi and his team at Kyoto University in Japan. To develop this discovery into a medical treatment, the Japanese biotechnology company Torigem Biopharma began working on a targeted drug. The experimental drug uses antibodies designed to block the USAG1 protein pathway. When this pathway is blocked, the body's natural tooth development process may restart. In animal experiments, scientists successfully triggered the growth of new teeth. New teeth were observed forming in animals such as mice and ferrets after the treatment. Because of these promising results, the research has now progressed to early human clinical trials. The first trials are focused on patients who were born missing several teeth due to genetic conditions. If the treatment proves safe and effective, scientists believe the drug could reach the market in the early 2030s. Unlike implants, a regenerated tooth would be completely natural and biologically integrated with the body. However, researchers still need to solve important challenges, including controlling the position and number of new teeth. If successful, this technology could transform dentistry and introduce a new era of regenerative dental medicine.